Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about trading, talking about them crazy cryptocurrencies, talking to them about this 0.133 ARB. Still there, dropped a little, but no trade pro. What can you do? No never card. But next week we're signing up. Remember, it's coming. You've been warned. It's coming. It's on its way. Can't wait. I'm excited. Things changing, things moving. Things gonna be making money. That's what matters. Because we can be here all the time and our account's growing, but no money going in our pocket. So now we're gonna be able to get the Never card, apply for that, and we'll be able to put profits onto that and go spend it. I mean, what could be better? Never have to worry. That's it. That's what I call it for. Never card. Never have to worry. I always got it in my pocket. Yep. I can pay for that. Yep, with my new Never card. Yep. Buy my new truck with it. I don't know if it'll have that much limit. Maybe not. Very expensive truck. Maybe I better find other ways. Maybe they'll take ARP tokens. That'd be nice. Why not? So things are looking good. Very good. We got our payout. Let's check that out. Our payout is 22,943. It's about another $100, $110. Pretty good for me. My tokens are 25,184. I should be getting a few more tokens here shortly. Not sure when, but sometime soon. But they're coming. I'm happy. Let's see what we got going on with this token. This token went up and then went down. But it went up, went way up here. So the fact it went up and goes down, that means people were buying and then people were selling. Now people will be buying. It's just how the market works. But until we get Trade Pro and we get Nevercard, things are just going to keep flustering around. It's just how it is. But once you get people coming on here to buy ARP tokens, that price will go up. That price will go sky high. We'll all be fine. And then we'll find out all the rest about Trade Pro, about the Nevercard, about all the other new stuff coming out. It's not just those two things, it's many things. It's going to be a lot of stuff. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. That's all I know. Yep. Awesome. Putting money in my pocket. I like that. No more just my account. I can start putting it in my pocket. So I'm going to be at 23,000 here pretty soon. That makes me happy. I still got my tokens going. We're ready to rock and roll, make some money. Now let's go check out the ABOT and see how we did. Yeah, it's going round and round. Come on. There we go. Got paid out 93 tokens. I like that. We're at 17.88, so we didn't drop anymore. My gas is going down, $14.76. But we got ETH there. I was just waiting for this to go back up. This doesn't seem to be working with me. My plan's failing. Oh well. Have to come up with a new plan, I guess. Revise it. Yep, revise my plan. So what are you gonna do? So everything's looking good. Let me see, no new announcements or anything. Nope, nothing there. Now we did have the maintenance update, so if you tried to get in there earlier, you couldn't get in. I know I was trying. Then they finally let me in, but then I saw I had 0 ARB, from the payout. And I said, oh, something happened, so I'm not done yet. Okay. I come back and it was all fixed. But just in case you try to get in, they did have a maintenance and they did post it in the Telegram chat. So under the official Telegram. That was good. At least we knew what was going on. So everything's looking great, moving along. Let's see. We need to see Trade Pro. That's what we need to see. See if they put that deposit button on it. I'm sure it's coming. So it looks like Bitcoin is down 1.29 and ETH is down 3.69. Okay, that makes sense. That's why Bitcoin is dropping. So it looks like we're already into a sell trade here. And we're still at support right there. That's the exact bottom of the floor. So, I mean, it breaks that. Look out. It's going to drop all the way down. So be ready for that just in case. You never know. One never knows. That means Bitcoin will be stronger than ETH. So we'll find out. Time will tell. Go down to a 15-minute chart. And here we're at this little bottom here waiting to break. We already broke this trend line. We just dropped. We came back up, retested almost all the way up to it, and then it sold off again. So that's what you're looking for, is that pullback. And then you would trade that down. Then as soon as you got this morning star, you would have got out. Remember the candlestick patterns we talked about? Morning star, morning star. They're here a lot. Morning star, all over the place. Yep. Everywhere. It's crazy. Evening star. So you just got to find them where they're at the points where it's going to matter. That's all. So see how it plays out. Let's go look at Bitcoin against US dollar. There it is. See how they're doing on their own. Should be going up, but let's see. No, theirs says a little down, but since it's less down than before, I'm hoping it's going up. Nope, still going down. Now we're working off this trend line now. We're this trend line right across this trend line. So right now we're just getting into the point it might be breaking that. If it breaks it, it's got to go down, close, and then the next candle will come up and retest. The next couple candles come up and retest. And then if it does, then you get a bearish candle after that, then you can sell it. So it's not a fast deal because this is a day chart. We're talking 2-3 days. So, I mean, this thing don't move fast here. But it gives you a ballpark what's going on for the day. The day looks bearish. So let's go take it down to a smaller time frame, maybe 4 hour. And we're still bearish. Looks like we've tried to penetrate through and hit more support. And we come back up. So you never know. Let's take it down lower. 15-minute chart. Here we go. We came down, hit here. We got a morning star, and we took off. Now we're at support again. So we're waiting to see if we break through again and go up to the top. Could break back down. Could give you an evening star and drop down, or give you a... Here's another candle formation right there. Engulfing candle. Could give you one of those. I like the engulfing, and I like the evening and morning stars. Those two seem to be the most popular. You go back in history, you find it for yourself. You just trade those up against support or resistance, and you'll do just fine. So let's go see ETH now. ETH US dollar. Round and round it goes, trying to make me dizzy. There we go. We are smack on support. We're right on the floor. Tried to break through, came back up, has to close below. So if it's going to be a sell trade, it has to close below, come back up, retest, and then give you another bearish candle. And that'll be in 3 days. So see, each one's a candle in a day. Now you could do it on a smaller time frame. You can check it out. Sure. We can go down to 4 hours. 4 hours, we're still, looks like it wants to break down hard. So now let's take it down to a smaller time frame, 1 hour. Now 1 hour it hit and it came back up. So now since it's coming back up, we're hitting the ceiling. So this tells me I'd be looking for a sell trade. Unless it breaks through, then it'd be a buy. So from this point, it has to break all the way through, stop, another candle, turn around, and another candle, leave and go up. And these are 1 hour candles, so you got 3 hours to find that all out. Or just give me a start going down, because you're already at the ceiling, so you can only go to down or break through. All right, here's the ceiling because we're hitting this pin line right there. Those are also called shadows. And we're hitting it right there, we're hitting it over there. So we got 3 locations. And right here we're hitting it. So we'll see. It's either going to break up or break down. Just remember, if it breaks through, it has to close, come back, retest, and then give you the same candle in that direction. But let's take it down to a smaller time frame, maybe 15 minutes. 15 minutes is we drop, and now we bounce back up. Now you could put your Fibonacci's on here, you can find out where that is. Maybe we're at 3.28 or 50% fib, and then you want to go trail it back down. I mean, that's another good point. Because if you're hitting a fib, like a 50% fib, and you're getting a evening star, that's pretty good chances you're turning around at that point. So if you're at any fib and evening star, or any other candle formation that's telling you it's reversing, look out. That's what you're looking for. Or go on up. You never know. Things just might travel. But either way, we're at the support right here. This pin, this top of this right here, this guy here, the shadow on it, the wick is right at support. So you're going to have to break above this, close, come back, retest, and then buy. And your stop would go down here. Or vice versa. Break down, and then your stop would go up here, and you'd sell that. But you want it to come back. If it breaks through and it closes, it has to come back 50% of that candle before you sell it. Which is why you want to get a discount. Everybody wants a discount. Professional buyers sell at the top and they buy at the bottom. So if you don't, you're not the professional buyer and you're the money. You're taking your money. And so don't be that person. You want to be on the right side. All right, you guys, stay ARB strong. We'll come back and check later on this evening, see how these trades are looking, see what we can find, see if we hear anything about Trade Pro, anything about Never Card signups. So I'm real excited. Things be changing. So hang in there and stay ARB strong, guys. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.